Once you've chosen your seat, please step out of the aisle as quickly as you can. Allow other passengers behind you to pass by. Please stow carry-on items under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Large items overhead, small items under the seat, please. Thank you. Welcome aboard.
Like to welcome our Rapid Rewards members and all of our customers aboard Flight 4944 with service to Cleveland. Flight 9 serving you today are Brian in the back, Shane's in the cabin, and my name is Erica. I'll be serving you up front. Shortly after takeoff, we will serve complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Alcoholic beverages may be purchased with a credit card. You can also accept valid coupons for alcoholic beverages. Please refer to the menu in your seatback pocket for selections and prices. Aircraft is Wi-Fi equipped to access to the internet, free live TV. Information describing the connection procedures located in Southwest magazine. All portable electronic devices, including cell phones, tablets, e-readers, electronic games, and MP3 players, may be used in airplane mode for all phases of flight. Cellular functions must be turned off once the forward entry door is closed. Please refer to the flight service page of Southwest magazine for more information regarding use of portable electronic devices on board. If you are in an emergency exit seat, please review the operating instructions and exit seat requirements for the Boeing 737-700 on that safety information card in the seat back pocket nearest you. If you don't meet all of the requirements, are unable to perform the functions, or believe that performing any of those functions will cause you harm, just let us know right now. We can get you reseated so that we may push back from the gate. Please fasten your seatbelt, bring your seat back and tray table to their full upright and locked position, and ensure all carry-on items are completely under that seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. Welcome aboard.